Today I'm going to show you how to create gradebook items and categories within Canvas. First, we're going to launch the course. All right, so you can see on the left-hand side that there is a section here for grades. But for right now, I'm actually going to take you to assignments because that's actually where you're going to create the things that go in the gradebook. So as you can see, I've already created some assignments, but I'm going to show you how to create a brand new one. So you can see here, I have a couple of discussion posts. I have another assignment here called Create ePortfolio and one called Meet Your Classmates. But I'm going to go ahead and show you what it would look like to create a brand new one. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and hit assignment. All right, now let's say I want to create another discussion post. So I'm going to give my assignment a name. This is where you would type in your assignment and add in anything that you would want, such as files, links, anything like that. And then you're going to go ahead and assign it some points. So in this case, my discussion posts are worth 5 points. Now you can see here, there's an option for assignment group. We're going to talk about that in just a moment, but I'm going to leave it as is. And you even have the option to display the grade as a few different things. So if you want it to be a percentage, a letter grade, you can choose that here, but I'm going to keep it as points. And then you can also see here, there's an option to not count it toward the final grade. I'm going to go ahead right now though and hit save and publish. All right, so as you can see, my week 4 discussion was posted. I'm going to go back to assignments. Okay, so now you can see here, it's at the bottom. But right now they're all under the tab of assignments, and you can actually create other categories within Canvas. So you're going to hit add group, and this is going to create a new section of assignments. So in this case, I'm going to put discussions since I had several of those. So here you can see I have my discussions. There's a couple of different ways to add them here. You can either click and drag, and now it's listed in discussions, or I can click these little 3 dots here, move to, and select discussions. You can see here as well that I can choose where it shows up. So maybe I want it to be after week 1. And there you go. So I'm going to go ahead and create a couple more groups, and I'll meet you back here. So now you can see I've categorized things the way that I want. I have my assignment here, I have my discussions here, and then I added another category. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to the gradebook. I'm going to click on grades, and now you can see all of these grade items that I just created. And that is how you create categories and items in the gradebook in Canvas.